Problem 13.2.9. So it's a sign test, 10% significant level. So the politician claims that it's a coin flip, which means it's 50-50. So it either is or it isn't. So the null is it is, and the alternative, it isn't. The Z statistic. Recall that that is right there. So let's open up the calculator. So it's x plus 1/2. So if you go back to the problem, x is the smaller of the two, so it's 430. 462 is in favor, 430 opposed. So the x is 430, the smaller, minus 1/2 their sum. 430 plus 462 divided by 1/2 the square root of their sum. 430 plus 462. So it looks like negative 1.038. Three decimal places. Okay, the critical values. 10%, that's 1.645. So plus or minus 1.645. I just happen to remember those. They're pretty, you use them over and over, you get to remember them. So we're going to fail to reject because we're inside of those two values. We're in the middle. There's not sufficient evidence to reject the claim. So the politician seems, or appears to have, his claims appears to have merit. Okay. So before I quit that, remember those numbers 430 and 462. If you go to stat disk and we go to analysis sign test, number of signs, the median is 0, that was our null, and significance is 0.10. Number of positives was 462. Number of negatives was 430. We get the same number, negative 1038 to 3 decimal places. And there's our critical Z plus or minus 0.645. So that's an alternative way to do it if you like stat disk. Then you don't have to calculate by hand. Whereas if you use the you can't do this sign test in StatCrunch. Anyway, that's 13.2.9. Dr. K over and out.